wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cooking aprons. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the D2 Cotton is a great basic choice that nevertheless offers everything an experienced chef needs. Available in a multitude of colors, it'll keep you clean and organized without drawing attention away from your culinary skills. It can be tied in the front or back and comes with a large center pocket. However, it tends to move around a lot. At number 9, the icup Darth Vader is perfect for any science fiction fans. It recreates the Sith Lord's costume right down to the printed lightsaber at the hip. Just be careful you don't get so distracted by it that your burgers end up on the dark side. It's lightweight and comfortable, and other characters are also available, but the fabric doesn't absorb much. Coming in at number 8 on our list, this FSK cotton canvas is both stylish and functional. It's available in multiple patterns, each of which look good with most outfits and provide enough coverage to keep the clothes beneath clean, allowing you to impress your guests before and after dinner. It includes a large split pocket and will fit most people. However, the material is a little stiff. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking aprons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can pair the hyzrz Lovely Sweetheart Retro with heels and pearls if you want to feel like a 1950s housewife, or wear it whenever you want to draw as much attention as the main course. It'll distract from the outfit underneath it though. It's ideal for a fun dinner party and a nice touch for romantic date nights, but the colors can run in the wash. Moving up our list to number 6, the Arawak Brave has a special loop on the chest that you can snake some headphones through, allowing you to listen to a few tunes while you bake or grill. This keeps them from interfering with your work and prevents you from ruining an expensive pair of earbuds. It's equipped with double-stitched pockets and a towel holder on the right side. It's perfect for baristas. Halfway up our list at number 5, this Suck UK cooking guide may appear to be just another protective article of clothing, but is covered with accurate, useful cooking information, such as roasting times, conversion charts, and boiling tips. It's effectively an ultra-convenient cookbook you can wear. It's available in several lengths and made of pure, unbleached cotton. It's printed upside down for easy reading. At number 4, the Big Mouth Ink Grill Sergeant looks a tad ridiculous at first glance, but it's actually quite useful. It has twice as many pockets as most, including several running across the chest like an ammunition belt, which are designed to keep 6 beers close at hand. It comes in a fun camouflage pattern and is good for campsite cooking. It includes an attached bottle opener. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, vertical stripes are slimming, so feel free to taste one or two of those chocolate chip cookies you made while wearing the homwe pinstripe. It's machine washable, fade proof, and wrinkle resistant, so you're sure to look good in it no matter how much sampling you do. It's equipped with roomy front pockets and an adjustable neck strap. The long strings are easy to tie on your own. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking aprons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, let your friends and family know dinner is coming with this famgem Game of Thrones Tyrion. It features a paraphrasing of one of the character's most famous quotes, and it'll leave guests with little doubt as to who they should turn to whenever they need something. It's easy to keep clean and is a simple unisex design with plenty of room for utensils. And coming in at number 1 on our list, let the world know you take your duties as a grill master seriously with the Hudson Durable Goods Professional. Boasting gunmetal grommets and rivets, it puts out the vibe that you're not a chef to be trifled with and that you'll survive if the flames get out of control. It's equipped with a quick-release buckle, an adjustable length, and a cell phone pocket on the chest. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking aprons, or simply click beneath this video.